In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Drive power-up to your Trello board. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Google Drive connected so you can attach files and folders to cards without leaving your board. First, make sure you're on the Trello board where you want this setup. Look toward the top of the board for the power-ups option. Go ahead and click on power-ups. This opens the power-ups panel where you manage integrations for the board. Inside that panel, click on Add Power-ups. This takes you to the directory where all available power-ups are listed. You'll see featured options and categories, but to get there faster, we'll use search. Find the search bar at the top of the directory. Click into it to activate it, then type Google Drive. As you type, Trello will filter the results. You should see the Google Drive power-up appear in the list with its icon and a brief description. Click on the Google Drive result to open its details page. Here you can read what the power-up does and see screenshots, but we'll move straight to installing it. Click on Add. In many cases, Trello will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want this power-up on the board. When you see that prompt, click on Add again to confirm. These two clicks ensure that the power-up is added to the correct board and that you're aware of any permissions. Now wait for it to load. You'll usually see a short loading state or a spinner. This is Trello enabling the power-up and preparing it for use on your board. Don't close the window or navigate away during this part. A stable internet connection helps this step finish quickly, and most of the time it only takes a few seconds. Once the loading completes, you should see confirmation right in the Power Ups panel, and on your board you'll notice Google Drive options available on cards. If the loading takes longer than expected, give it an extra moment. It's often just the initial setup running in the background. When it's done, you're all set to start attaching documents, linking folders, and previewing files directly in Trello. That's it. You clicked on Power-Ups, selected Add Power-Ups, used search to find Google Drive, clicked into it, hit Add, confirmed by clicking Add again, and waited for the setup to finish. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll have the Google Drive Power-Up ready to go on your board. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother workflow with your files just a click away.